We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out.
Hey Love Squad, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and today I have a very special guest. You don't know, it's none other than my brother. Richie is in the building, guys. Oh, yeah. Look alike?
No.
Let us go down below. He has been on the channel already.
If you need that subscribe from a long time, he is no stranger to you guys. But if you are new to the channel,
This is my brother. He is not just a brother, he is a recording artist. So you can jump on over to his Instagram and his YouTube at inspiyahmusic. Guys, he's also a photographer. So you can go and check him out at Fresh Concepts on Instagram. Alright? Everything will be in the description down below. Alright, so Lab Squad, we have a very interesting challenge today and I'm very excited.
What is this?
We have before us frozen t-shirts. These have been in the freezer for over 24 hours. So you want to test out?
That's not
You hear that? Them tough like rock, guys.
So why my shirt look like thicker than
No, it's not cheating or no, guys. You see everything before the channel start, them start complete. So let us just explain the challenge. Alright, so we have two white t-shirts, same size, same weight, same density, everything. So the first person to melt the shirts, yeah, tear them out and put them on wins the challenge. Everybody knows that Team Shade are going to win, right? So just comment down below, Team Shads. You're not advertised for your team.
I'm giving you your chance.
Alright, take over.
So as soon as they realize that they're not going with your team, Team Richie people, Team Richie, yeah?
Comment down below and see if they delete them.
YouTube won't allow that.
a joke, free and fairness election we I keep right here. Anyway guys, we're not talking no longer. We're going to get straight into the challenge, alright? Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe! Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post, which you don't know, say Sunday evening dinner time, the videos are up.
Yeah.
Let's go!
So any rules? What?
Yeah, you can't use anything other than yourself to tear out the shirt them. That is the rule.
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go! Guys, we are bust up with the back.
What is this?
See you shirt them?
This will
Alright.
break.
Alright guys. The clock are tick. No sir. What I do?
No, sir, people. What is going on here?
Guys, I'm saying if you rub your hand together, it will catch fire. I just need to crack open right here soon. Backside. Take me and mash up myself. Guys.
Suppose the shirt break.
But you don't want to put it under my arm, you know. But I that me that plan for doing.
What you? No, this not safe. Ooh, my hand getting numb. Ah.
You know, some shall wear a thicker shirt, I'm not smart.
Okay. Right.
What am I doing? Can I use your shirt?
No. Keep your eye on
Guys,
Shade.
here, wire. What is happening here?
This is illegal. You cannot be on the table. You cannot be on the table. Use the chair. You cannot be on the table.
Guys.
I think we should cut the commercial. Let's go to the commercial break.
Me out in this today. No, I should have wear jeans. You know, I never dress smart.
Oh yeah. Feel the burn, people. Right now, I'm jogging. Hey, why
Should I wear a Should I wear a sweatshirt? Richie shirt are moving, huh? Stop it. Guys, should I wear a sauna shirt or something?
Feel the movement happening here.
No, you can't take the teeth them enough.
We have progress.
Alright.
Break it, yeah? If you break it, you bite.
So I get little something, guys. I get little.
Woo!
Richie, stop now.
Guys, we're on a roll.
Stop, put on the shirt. Time out.
You see, guys, keep an eye on her, please.
What did you do?
This, what? Shadi, you want to go bed? She's bathing with the shirt. That's not right. Alright, people. Team Richie right now. See? Don't wait until I finish.
I must be in there, babe. That's so cool.
Woo! Okay. Alright, guys.
I hear like a movement back.
No, so who come up with this idea though?
You see the apple idea, you come up. Woo.
Oh jeez.
You know say for poop.
What? What?
I eat. Let eat, make it up.
We do not support this message. Right, people.
Stop no man.
What are you doing? On the people on YouTube. Oh jeez.
May I make the shirt?
No, that. Wow.
May I get like a momentum, you know? Guys, I'm just on the wall. My camera.
You shouldn't be using editing. Oh, my shirt. The red from my shirt coming off.
That's alright. Stop, Richie. I use your man strength.
What?
Please, no, you're not fair to that.
And you're using your lady bumper.
Yo! Woo! Her teeth is going in there now.
Alright, guys, we're making progress.
Should I do this with Rochelle? Because she mother. Should I nobody eat? Stop using your man strength.
No,
Richie, you can't use your arm.
I'm not using man strength, I'm using technique. I warm it up and then I open it up.
Guys, you mean I take a shirt down?
Push that. My shirt has nothing to do with this.
And pants, jeans.
Body motion and
Watch out!
you see how I'm sweating? You have to warm up your body. Get your body
You should
warm.
have dressed like say, me I go blue moon.
Warm up your body.
No,
So that way you transfer the heat to the shirt. Woo!
Should I wear my little track suit?
Alright guys.
It's a coming out. Stop now! You can't even get what?
This is hilarious. Alright
Broke
guys.
my finger. You should relax and you're the time, but you're the suspension. You can't come on the channel, come win.
Yes people. I like it. I like
Stop
it
the
people.
teeth, miss.
People, I think she found a thicker shirt for me. But guess what? I'm working with it.
I never find out a teeth.
We get it here.
Everything on the same teeth. I want me to lose. On the same teeth. Stop, you cannot use your jeans pants.
Wait me, I'm rubbing it with my legs. Woo!
You can't use my legs. Woo!
Ah! People, we are getting here. We're getting there.
Alright, so I'm gonna get one crack then.
Shadi is cracking it. But we are almost there, people.
No, I'm gonna lay it up on the table like this.
People,
Look how mess.
we don't want to see it. Woo! People, it's cold. No, sir. It's cold in here, people. Oh, jeez. Come with me. Team Richie, where you at?
Take off the people.
Team Richie.
Take off the shirt, Richie.
My fingers are numb. I can't open the shirt.
Guys, what we go? The camera battery I did.
Alright, people. I think we got it.
Give me the shirt. You have to give your opponent the shirt.
Oh, jeez. Woo! Ha! People, Team Richie, we did it. Shadi, want me to the shirt?
I probably should have used a female for this challenge. Because I can't get it what more. Sure. Guys. Them sabotage me. Something going on
There
wrong.
you go.
Richie, take off your shirt and start to.
There you, I'm, cool right now.
Come.
I'm liking this.
Come, guys.
All I need now is a nice
We get a
drink.
pint for effort.
A nice little drink with a pineapple.
We get a pint. What you?
And
No,
you finished.
sir.
You actually finished.
Richie.
You actually finished. Open up the base. Don't worry about there. Open up the base.
What you mean?
Down at the base there. You see how down here so out already?
But you might go like say I'm an expert on this now. Come,
No,
guys.
that's all you needed to do. Look at that. You see how quick? It took you too long to get there.
Ooh. Ooh.
So you're using your woman's strength now.
Ooh.
But I like this. It's cold and nice.
Ooh.
No need for AC.
Says we can't sleep in a day.
No, I don't. Would not recommend.
Well, like God.
Would
We
not
just have them in
recommend.
the fridge.
Would not recommend.
Oh God, guys. Woo. Me?
5 years later.
Me, I get pint for effort.
So who's giving the points?
No worries, I'm squad again. Alright.
Ooh.
Yeah? Woo! I don't want to put on them, I'm not gonna sleeve.
It's cold, I can tell you that.
And the closest to the ice bath challenge me I gonna do. So woo! Woo! Woo!
Yes.
Guys, you must try this. Try this.
No, I like the cold shirt. It's nice.
Woo! But it wet. Woo!
She did it.
What would it say? Who last put on the shirt with?
That's how you do things.
Alright guys.
Whew.
That challenge was quick and spicy.
Yes. And Team Richie. Yeah? Hashtag inspiyahmusic. Yeah.
Guys, yes, it's true. I know say una loyal. Even if you win, I still me winning a phone eyes. So just make sure to message the hashtag team shots win or lose or draw. Can I draw this?
No, draw is where we're going to put the shirt when it's finished.
Oh,
washed.
football go. You get red card a while ago, you know. Can you use your man strength? Alright guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this challenge. Guys, you can try it out. Trust me, it's fun. Just put the shirt in the freezer. Wet it up first. Wring it out. Put it in the freezer. 24 hours later, you that are ready. If you try it, tell me how it go. And comment down below if you enjoyed this video.
Yep.
And if you like to see more collabs with Team Shads and Team Rich. But I like Team Rich.
Team Richie.
No, can't make me look like me a poor, team poor.
No,
You
no.
look like you're gonna win.
I am rich in love.
And I am rich in
Loves.
Alright
No,
guys.
rich in insanity.
I think it's time we pack up and go. So thank you guys for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Remember to check him out on our socials. Bye.
Bye.